Hello core users, we are going to walk through how to book an appointment today. You're going to log in at marian.1220.com using your Marian email and your Marian password. These over here on the left hand side are called modules. We're going to click on the appointments module. And you can see up here and note here that we are doing one-on-one appointments with students for resumes and mock interviews. All of the other career development support that we can help you with, such as cover letters or job search strategies, any of the information up here, if you want to come and visit our Dress to Impress closet, those are going to be through open office hours in the events page, and there'll be another video that shows you how to register for that, but they are also open office hours, so you can walk in to those at any time of the week. We have them at various days and times each week for you to walk in and be able to get your questions answered. But in the event that you want a one-on-one appointment, you're going to choose the date that you're available or hoping to schedule an appointment for. You're going to choose the person that you're hoping to schedule an appointment for. So I'm going to choose Brianna, and I'm going to see a little bit about her. I'm going to click book my appointment. I want a resume, and I'm available at 9 a.m., but I am starting from scratch, so I want a 60-minute one-on-one appointment versus a 30-minute. You can choose whichever one you want. You're going to select your preferred location, either in person at the first floor of the academics at the Exchange, or you're going to choose a virtual option. If you have any files, such as a rough draft of a resume or anything that you want us to look at during your appointment, you could attach them here. And then you're just going to answer this question: how did you hear about scheduling an appointment? Maybe you had a previous appointment with her and you want to follow up on that, and you simply book appointment. It will show here. You can edit your appointment or cancel your appointment. You can go to your calendar and find your appointment. It will show up. You've got an appointment at 9 a.m. You can click on this, you can view appointment, and from here again you can edit it or cancel it if you need to as it gets closer to that time, and that is how you book an appointment.